Hello everyone. First of all, thank you to everyone who is watching this video. My name is Suraj Kumar and I am going to speaking to you today about COVID-19. As you all know that today the whole world is suffering from a pandemic called COVID-19. So to talk about that, I have prepared a PPT on the same. So let's start. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus are large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory syndrome, MERS, and severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes disease COVID-19. So as you know that coronavirus is not a particular virus, it is a group of many viruses in which MERS, SARS and COVID-19 are the major ones. Now what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. COVID-19 is now a pandemic affecting many countries globally. So, as we know that COVID-19 outbreak began in Wuhan in China in December 2019. A COVID-19 is an infectious disease and it can be spread to a person to person. Now, how do we know that if we have COVID-19 or not? Let's see some of the symptoms of COVID-19. The most common symptom of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough and tiredness. Other symptoms that are less common and may affect other patients include itches and pains, nasal congestion, headache, conjunctivitis, sore throat, diarrhea, loss of taste or smell, or a rash on skin or discoloration of finger or toes. These symptoms are usually mild and begin gradually. Some people become infected but only have very mild symptoms. So the common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough and tiredness. And we can also be infected by someone if he does not show any symptoms of COVID-19. How does COVID-19 spread? So people can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. The disease spreads primarily from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are exhaled when a person with COVID-19 coughs, sneezes or speaks. These droplets are relatively heavy, do not travel far and quickly sink to the ground. People can catch COVID-19 if they breathe in these droplets from a person infected with the virus. This is why it is important to stay at least 1 meter away from others. These droplets can land on objects and surfaces around the person such as table, doorknobs and handrails. People can become infected by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, nose or mouth. COVID-19 is mainly spread through respiratory droplets exhaled by someone who is coughing or has some symptoms such as fever or tiredness. So as you can see that COVID-19 spreads from person to person. If a person who is not infected with COVID-19 comes in contact with a person who is infected with COVID-19 can also be get infected. Or when a person who is infected with COVID-19 sneezes or coughs, the droplets from his mouth or nose travel in air and can infect the person standing near him. So it is said that we should maintain at least 1 meter gap. And if this droplet get landed on objects and surfaces, and if we touch them, we can also be get infected with those. Now, what preventive method should be used? So, to prevent the spread of COVID-19, we should first clean our hand often, Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficult breathing, seek medical attention. So, we should regularly keep cleaning our hands with soap and water or alcohol based hand sanitizer, and we should maintain a safe distance from everyone who is coughing or sneezing, and we should not touch our eyes, nose, or mouth with our hand. And when we cough or sneeze, we should put our bent elbow or a tissue in front of your mouth, in front of our mouth and nose to cover it. And if you feel fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, we should seek medical attention. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you everyone for watching this video.